Next we have Honorable Secretary, Bodhichariya Senior Secondary School, Mr. Gautam Talukdar.
Hello.
Hello. Students and participants, please maintain silence.
Volunteer students, please come to the left-hand side of the stage. Volunteer students, please come to the left-hand side of the stage and report to Amoresh sir.
The Foundation for a Better Future. It gives us immense pleasure to celebrate this important day to commemorate the Foundation Day of our very dear institution. We all are proud of our school and take this opportunity to congratulate all the students, ex-students, staff, parents and all those associated with the school. We are happy to be a part of the 32nd Foundation Day of Bodhichariya Senior Secondary School, Kolkata. We are about to spend an evening full of fun and entertainment. The events lined up are the prize distribution of all the events held during the academic session amidst cultural events.
Myself, Munmun Ganguly, and my co-host, Ankita Roy, are grateful to have got this opportunity to take you through this beautiful evening. We will begin our evening by a performance by our tiny tots, the precious gems from Class Prep. Please welcome them on stage with a round of applause.
To please come on stage to mark the inauguration of 32nd Annual Day celebration of Bodhichariya Senior Secondary School by lighting the diya.
To grace this occasion tonight, we would like to felicitate them by our students now. We will start the felicitation with our chief guest, Dr. Bishwajit Panda, SDO Bidhannagar.
Next, we have honorable guests.
Extend warm welcome to Venerable Bhante Vimal Vikku, who is chairperson, founder of the school. Respected honorable chief guest, our SDO sir, Mr. Bishwajit Panda, and other dignitaries. Today we are celebrating the 32nd annual day. In this auspicious day, in the year 1990, our founder, 30 students from the northeast region, after constructing a part of the existing building. Initially the classes were from 3 and 4. The purpose of the opening of the school for educationally deprived children was drawn from a strong desire to render yeoman service to those people of Northeast who are economically downtrodden and struggling their livelihood because of lack of education. Soon the number of students from the Northeast started increasing and more classes were felt necessary to be opened. Recruitment of teachers needs to be increased, but the main hurdle was accessibility to this place. This place was very remote, having the Kacha road, very few transport was there. Despite these difficulties, few teachers those days joined and served for this institution. We do salute those teachers who extended help to make Vante's dream realized. As strength was growing, not only academically focused, nurturing the talents in various fields such as NCC, sports, dance, drama, music, debate, communication skill through intense planning of co-curricular activities, and their execution ensured by our professionally sound teachers must be acclaimed. This Foundation Day will well remembered in coming days for not only that our children and teachers showcasing their talent on stage, but presence of our honorable guests from various fields, parents, teachers and their families. This is a motivation and encouragement.
Our respected principal, sir, Mr. Sharup Bhunia, to please come up on the stage to share the annual report.
Priyangshu Bagchi, 92%. Mohammad Fardin Islam, 91.3%. Shoaib Ali, 90.5%. Shubham Konar, 90%. Rest of the students scored 50 to 79%. 9 students have secured 45% to 49%. It is our class 10 result. Next, class 12, number of students appeared 167. Number of students secured more than 80% marks in all disciplines, 69, with 27 students getting more than 90% marks. Out of them, Kaushiki De, Seshti Mantri, Arunabha Roy scored 96%. We are also providing scholarship energy for securing top from West Bengal in 2019. Presently, he is studying MBBS, AIMS, Bhubaneswar. Anubhav Ghoshal, an awardee from the President of India 2020 for his excellence in Olympiad and representing India. Some ex-students, presently many field, they are serving in different field. Sanjeev Chakma, Deputy Director, Tripura. Jagat Santra Chakma, Magistrate, Mizoram Judicial Service. Dalim Chakma, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Dr. Janu Chakma, Doctor, Government of Mizoram. Dr. Janavki Chakma, Doctor, Government of Tripura. Pankaj Chakma, Chief Manager, State Bank of India. Advocate Dilip Chakma, Advocate, Bar Council of India. Bibhav Chakma, JEE Mains completed and presently working Airport Terminal Engineer, managerial post. Rikel Chakma, brilliant student. He has completed PhD in physics. Presently, he is in France. Bhim Chakma, PhD, presently United Kingdom. Chitra Chakma, Assistant Professor in West Bengal. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for sharing your thoughts with us. Next is an action song by LKG students. Their smiling faces are our constant source of joy. Let's welcome them on stage.
Welcome to our annual prize distribution ceremony 2022. It is with great pleasure to announce that the overall school performances has been improving every year. I would also like to send a congratulatory message to all those who have performed exemplary well, thus making it necessary to have such a great occasion. The purpose of this day is to recognize the effort of these young ones in co-curricular activities such as drawing, quiz, singing, yoga, dance, poster design, debate, extempore, recitation and essay. I would also take this opportunity to encourage those who will not receive prizes and remind them that there is still room for improvement. Now, I would like to request Madhuchanda ma'am to come on stage and announce the winners of junior section.
Thank you, Shramali ma'am. A very good evening to honorable guests, our managements, teachers, staff, parents, and all my dear students. We, the team Bodhi, strongly believe that extracurricular are the crucial engagement interventions for the holistic growth of a child. As a teacher, it fills me with joy to present these extracurricular opportunities to the students and watch them outgrow themselves in terms of talent and self-expressions. Today, on this wonderful occasion, I proudly present our shining stars of the various events conducted in-house. All the students performed with flair and enthusiasm, and we all are proud of them. I would request our Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Bimal Bhante, to come up on the stage and hand over the certificates and medals to the winners. Sir, please. Sonia Parvin, where are you? Please come to the stage. Our first event is handwriting competition for the junior section, which was held in two categories, Group A and Group B. The winners of Group A are Prep Raj Mondol, UKG A, Ankit Sardar, UKG B, Arushi Nashkar. Please encourage them with a round of applause. Please encourage them with a round of applause. They have done splendid job. They are the youngest member of our Bodhi team.
Good evening to everybody. This is very nice evening. I am very pleased to meet you here. Our honorable guest and also teacher staff, non-teaching staff and also parents, guardian. This is auspicious day today. This is the foundation day. 32nd foundation day of Bodhichariya school. In 1990, it was village, remote village. So we started this school, only 30 students. Nobody knows. Today, this school will be such a nice school and also good school in this new town. So, you already know that our school produce, that means bring up some talented students who are making PhD in London University and also Paris University. They are recharging with nuclear. This is not the commercial school. This is non-profit organizations school. So, in Kolkata, just nominal fee, this school charges to the students. If this nominal fee, this school don't receive, so you cannot get good education and performance will not be good of the students. So that I would like to request you to cooperate in all parents, guardians, all walks of life, people all walks of life. So today our principal, Mr. Swarup Bhuiya, and all other teachers, I thank you very much for your good performance in this school and also for your very good responsibility you are maintaining here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Lord Buddha said, we can never obtain peace in the outer world until we make peace within ourselves. Sir, your words always bring solace to our souls. Thank you, sir, once again. Next, we have an action song which will be staged by students of UKG.
What a mesmerizing performance it was, wasn't it? Let's hear it big from the audience. Thank you. We must introduce you to the mentors who have choreographed the entire event with a lot of effort. Let's put our hands together for Priyanka ma'am, Swati Rekha ma'am, Meena ma'am, Sunil Kumari ma'am, and for helping with the music, Chandana ma'am. Thank you so much.
Our next drama named Notir Puja, based on the famous poem Ovishar by Rabindranath Tagore. The poem is an example to have a glimpse into the way Buddhist narratives were used during 19th century and early 20th century. That is the time of Renaissance.
Important announcement. Chakma